Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, December 9th. We saw a very chilly low of 27 degrees here at Wallops this morning. We're going to see a chilly day today with highs in the low 40s, continued mid and upper level cloudiness streaming across the area. This cloud should clear up as we go towards this evening and actually becoming clear after midnight tonight. Let's take a quick look at our satellite across the region. There you see that area of mid and upper level clouds streaming across the region. It does look like it's going to start breaking up a bit here, though, as we get towards the afternoon, as there is a little bit more clearing in the mid levels as we go up towards northern Maryland, and that should reach our area here within the next hour or two. And then as we go towards the afternoon, we'll see some clouds near 4,000 feet or so develop as we get towards the late afternoon period. We do have this shortwave moving across the mid-Atlantic, which is responsible for this uptick in cloudiness. Not going to bring any precipitation to the area, and once this shortwave decides to move through, we will see some weak high pressure build in and some weak upper level ridging. That's going to allow for some clear skies as we go later into tonight, and that will bring us back to some more seasonable conditions as we go throughout the rest of our work week here. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing westerly winds across pretty much the entire column. 11 knots at 1,000 feet, and then around 20 to 25 knots between 3,000 and 6,000 feet. Increasing slightly to 25 to 35 knots between the 9,000 and 16,000 foot levels, and maxing out at 50 knots at that 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning, obviously near the surface, as we did see that low of 27 degrees this morning. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we're going to be seeing high into the mid-70s this afternoon. It really is going to depend on how how quickly this cloud cover moves out of here. We are going to see those winds shift more southwesterly as we go towards late morning hours at 8 to 13 knots through the afternoon. That'll also help to bump those temperatures up a bit more. And then as we go into this evening, we're going to be seeing those winds shift more westerly at 5 to 10 knots, and then northwesterly after midnight around 6 to 11 knots, and that will be through mid-morning Thursday. We are expecting a more seasonable low tomorrow morning of 33 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a few clouds near 12,000 feet, broken at 15,000, broken at 20,000. We'll continue to see broken to scattered cloud decks around 12 to 15,000 feet as we go into the afternoon hours, and then seeing that upper level cloudiness start to decrease around 2, and then those mid-level clouds will be lingering a little bit longer. By 4 p.m., seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet, few at 10,000, broken at 13,000, and then by sunset, just seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet, few at 10,000, and then things will become clear once we get to around midnight or shortly thereafter. By mid-morning tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds at 25,000 feet. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our weather model to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing over the next several days. We're going to have high pressure building in once we get into tonight and into tomorrow. That's going to give us some clearer skies and very seasonable conditions, especially for tomorrow, as we'll see some lighter winds across the area as that high pressure settles right over the region by tomorrow afternoon. For Thursday night, that high pressure is going to be sliding east of the area. That'll help to return south to southwesterly flow across the region, helping to slowly bring in a much more milder air mass. As we go into Saturday morning, there's going to be a little bit of moisture and a weak upper-level disturbance rotating around this high, and it's going to be moving just offshore, so we could be seeing some scattered showers here at Wallops Saturday. It does look like any shower activity is going to be confined to the immediate coast along the Delmarva, so that would be here at Wallops and up towards Ocean City, but not really seeing too high chances as we get towards Salisbury. That will be, we'll see those rain chances throughout the day on Saturday, only around 20 to 40% or so. And then as we go into Sunday, we're going to be seeing this next front slowly approach the region. That's going to give us some scattered showers. And starting on Sunday, the weather models really start to diverge. So it's a very tricky forecast at this point. We're seeing completely different solutions depending on what model we look at here. And both, all the models have been pretty stubborn on their solutions, really not coming to any sort of agreement. So this model is definitely the rainiest, showing rain chances throughout the day on Sunday. And as it slows down this front and kind of stalls it out across the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. And what that will do is allow an additional stronger disturbance to develop across the Gulf states right up along this front and provide us some continuing chances of rain as we go into Monday, and maybe even some heavy rain. But as we go look at the GFS, which I will not show here, it does have a much drier solution, as well as some other models showing that Sunday system sweeping through real quickly and then seeing some drier air building behind it. So different options. This is definitely by far the wettest as it continues rain well into Tuesday, with our other model only giving us some isolated showers for Sunday morning. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we're going to be seeing those partly to mostly cloudy skies today, 47 degrees. Tomorrow, partly cloudy with a high of 53. Very beautiful, seasonable day tomorrow. We'll start to see things warm up just a tad as we go on to Friday with a high of 60, as we see that southerly to southwesterly flow return across the region, and that's going to give us partly to mostly cloudy skies. Saturday, we'll see that weak disturbance offshore just give us some chance of showers along the immediate Delmarva coast. Also going to be rather mild out there with a high of 62. And then as we go into Sunday, we're going to be seeing scattered showers, at least in the morning. And like I said, it really depends on which model solution is going to end up being correct. Hopefully by tomorrow, things will start coming into better agreement. But right now we have 50% chance of scattered showers on Sunday with a high of 60. And then on Monday we have just carrying a 30% chance of showers, as just in case that European solution pans out. And we are going to be seeing right now looking like an early high on Tuesday, a high of 43, and the temperatures dropping under mostly cloudy skies. But the forecast for Sunday through Tuesday is very uncertain at this time, and we will likely be seeing changes with this as we go over the next couple of days. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.